Hello, I'm with a very fine lady. I will let her introduce herself. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Nandini Sehgal, and I'm 24 years old, and I'm currently working at Nestle Thailand as a management trainee.
So, first, tell us about your teeth. How was your teeth before? How was it like? Are there any issues with your teeth?
Sure. Growing up, I didn't really like brushing my teeth. I did everything possible to avoid doing that. And that resulted in not the whitest or brightest of teeth. And they were also very uneven. So that also affected my confidence level, especially when taking photos. I never used to show my teeth.
So, how did you get to know about DentaJoy?
Well, my family and I, we come to this building a lot to eat at the Seafa restaurant. It's a family favorite. So we just discovered it upon one of our visits to the restaurant.
So, since the first time, how long have you been a patient of DentaJoy?
I think I first came here when I was around 11 or 12, and I'm 24 now, so
It's half of your
yeah,
lifetime.
pretty much.
What are your first impressions like upon visiting DentaJoy the first time?
I thought that everyone was really friendly. The staff was really friendly, and it's a very clean looking place. If when everything's white, it just looks clean and pure, and so I was really impressed by it.
So furthermore, what convinced you to stay or like do your first treatment with DentaJoy?
I think mainly it was the doctor that I had. I believe he started DentaJoy, and he has a lot of industry experience and industry knowledge. And so when you're kind of giving your teeth to someone to take care of, you want it to be someone who knows what they're doing.
Nandini, you have mentioned earlier that you had some oral or dental issues when you were a child, during your childhood. So what did DentaJoy recommend you to improve the case of your teeth?
So I had uneven teeth, and they recommended that I get braces done. But before I could do that, they had to realign the size of my jaw, I guess you call it, because my top jaw was smaller than my bottom jaw, and usually, traditionally, it's supposed to be a little bit bigger. So it was a fixture that I had to wear for about 6 to 8 months, and every week I'd have to get a tool to expand my jaw. And then once that was done, then I was recommended either to get traditional braces done, the metal fixtures, or get Invisalign done. And we decided to get the traditional braces done.
So how did our doctors and staffs take care of you during the whole duration of your treatment?
I'd have to say that they took really, really good care of me, because I never liked coming to the dentist. It's a very horrifying experience for me. I always think of the worst experiences or worst scenarios in my head. But I have to say that they made everything very comfortable, and when you get braces, it's kind of a commitment. You have to come quite often. It's usually once a month, and then every 6 months, and so on. So they were very good with making sure that I was taken care of and that I was on the right track. And another thing that they're really good at is they follow up before your appointment, because imagine coming every 6 months. By the time your appointment comes around, you forget, or I would tend to forget. So what I really appreciated was either the day before or the day of the appointment, they'd kind of call, like, just to let you know, do you have an appointment, can you still make it, and so on. So I really appreciate that.
So now, can you tell us how your teeth is at present?
Well, I have to say they're very straight now.
Yeah, I can see that.
And they're white because I do brush my teeth every day, more than once. Obviously, I take good care of it now, because everything that I did go through, it took a lot of investment, obviously, and a lot of time. And to avoid going back to that and doing that all over again, I now take really good care of it, and I'm very happy with the outcome. It's actually much better than I expected.
So we can say that DentaJoy did not only perform the treatment on you, they also educated you, like transfer some knowledge on how to take good care of your teeth.
Yes, definitely. They always gave recommendations, and they asked, kind of how you brush your teeth. And you can even ask them to recommend specific types of toothbrushes, because different ones will work differently for people. So they do have a lot of knowledge in terms of that, and they even sell a lot of their products here as well.
So overall, how is your DentaJoy experience?
It's a great experience. I mean, I still come here regularly for teeth cleaning, and I still have to come regularly because I'm currently still wearing my retainers. which you get after you wear your braces, obviously. So I do still continuously come, and I'm a continuous supporter and patient of DentaJoy.
It's very nice to hear. Thank you so much.
Of course. If you're looking for top industry advice or recommendations on dental work, do consider coming to DentaJoy. There are 5 branches around Bangkok ready to serve you, with the first and only dedicated Invisalign clinic here in Bangkok, Thailand. Find out more information and also get updated on DentaJoy's latest promotions. Do visit their Facebook page on facebook.com/DentaJoyDental. Thank you.